guys, welcome to learnpearl, and today I'll show you guys my favorite spaghetti recipe. So I'm showing you guys the ingredients right now, and the first thing that we need to do is take a pot and add 1 liter of water inside of it. Then add our spaghetti pieces and let it boil till it's cooked. After that, chop some garlic into really small pieces and add oil in another separate pan. After that, add the chopped garlic inside and saute it till it becomes golden in color, like what I'm doing right now. Now add some sauce and mix it as well. Add some cinnamon powder and put our spaghetti inside of it. After that, add some mozzarella cheese as toppings and mix it really well. And that is it, guys. It looks so good, so nice when it's hot. Serve it really hot in really nice plates and enjoy. It's so easy, so simple, yet so delicious. And this is my go-to recipe for spaghetti. I hope you like this video. Make sure you guys listen. See you in the next one. Bye.